Start by installing the cement board on day 1 to create a stable, moisture-resistant substrate for the tile. Begin by measuring and planning the layout so you can minimize cuts and avoid tiny slivers at walls. Fasten the cement board with corrosion-resistant screws every 6 inches along the edges and every 8 inches in the field, keeping joints staggered over joints in the subfloor and leaving 1/8 inch gaps between panels for thinset. Apply a thin coat of thinset to the subfloor where there are hollow spots to eliminate deflection and prevent future tile cracking. Use alkali-resistant fiberglass mesh tape over the cement board seams and cover the tape with thinset to lock the joint. This prevents movement and reduces lippage. For large kitchens, spread tile installation across 2 days by bedding the first half on day 2 and the second half on day 3 to keep mortar from skinning over and to let you maintain clean grout lines. After the tiles are fully set to firm but not fully cured, float grout into joints the following day using a wipe and rinse technique to keep haze minimal. Then protect the floor from heavy traffic and weight for at least 24 to 48 hours, depending on the grout manufacturer's recommendations. Common mistakes include setting tile directly on the subfloor without cement board, which leads to cracking and movement, so always install the proper cement board and treat seams with mesh tape and thinset for stability. A second issue is using too little thinset or letting it skin over, which causes poor bond and hollow spots. Use the correct notch trowel size for your tile and work in small sections so mortar remains tacky. Third, grouting too soon or walking on newly grouted floors causes uneven joints and premature wear, so wait the recommended cure time and protect the area with soft coverings if you must move through it. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors and share real project experiences that inform sequencing and timing choices. We also help contractors find work and engage with peers through our discussion community so everyone learns better practices and avoids common schedule pitfalls.